Delhi Fire Services get over 60 threat calls. So that's the latest that's coming in. Delhi Fire Services has received more than 60 bomb threat calls in schools till now. So the number over there is approximately over 60 is what we're hearing, because that's what the Fire Services Department is telling us in terms of the calls that they've received from across, schools. Atul Garg, who's Delhi Fire Service Chief, is joining us over the phone line this morning. Mr. Garg, thank you so much for speaking with India Today, sir. Can you tell us about the calls that you've received from various schools early this morning concerning a bomb threat that they may have received?
Yes, we have received more than 60 bomb threat calls. It is pan-India. It is not specific to any area. In all area, we are getting a call. And we are sending the vehicle everywhere. All the schools has been covered by sending the fire tender or fire vehicle. And we are on the standby right now.
Okay, so you're saying across the Delhi, you've received from across the city various schools that have reached out and have said that there has been a bomb threat that they've received?
Yes, you are right. Because it is not any specific area. It is from the all over, Delhi, from east also, south also, Dwarka also, Janakpuri also, Paschim Bihar also, everywhere. So we are getting a call from all the areas. And now we are attending all the calls, although it's a major role is the police, but we are on the standby. My all officers are also on the, on the alert.
Absolutely, sir. Sir, in terms of course, any reports from the ground, have you received anything? Have you heard anything from your personnel who have reached all of these schools? Are they reporting back that it's all clear, that there's nothing to worry?
Yes, some schools have reported. My staff has informed me that some schools have been reported, all clear, and they are coming back. But exact figure is not right, as not available, because, situation is we are getting more call also. So we are, attending first priorities to attend all the calls, send vehicle to all the places. Then only we'll comply it. But yes, some fire tender has been returned, stating that it is off call.
Okay, sir. At what time approximately did you start receiving these calls?
Since morning we are receiving it, and the number of call has been increased from 9:30 to 10:30.
Okay, so you're saying in the last 1 hour or so, the number has gone up in terms of the calls that you're receiving from schools, sir?
Yes, sir.
And what are they saying, sir? That there are multiple explosive devices allegedly as per the email on the school premises?
No, we are getting only call that there is a bomb call. They got information that there is a bomb in the school, so we are sending. We don't have so much detail about what type of explosive there or what type of call is there. That detail is not available right now with us, but we received a call only that there is a bomb call, and we are attending all the calls. That's all.
Right. So just one final question. How many of your men and women personnel are on the ground right now attending to all of these calls, sir?
Yes, sir.
How many, sir?
Right.
How many, sir?
See, we are attending all the calls. We cannot leave any call.
Absolutely.
We cannot take a chance.
Sure.
So we are attending all the calls. Of course, some school has, some fire tender has come back, but they are again going to attend another call.
Okay. Mr. Garg, thank you so much for speaking with India Today, sir. So that was Atul Garg, the Chief of Delhi Fire Services, who's confirmed that at least 60 SOS calls have been received by the Fire Services Department today from various schools saying that they've received a bomb threat. Fire Services personnel have rushed to all of these premises. He says that many of these calls have been received in the last 1 hour between 9:30, I beg your pardon, to 10:30. Listen in to some of these students at these schools. So you can just imagine the sense of scare and fear among them after, of course, the school may have reported to them that there's a bomb threat and they will need to evacuate and leave immediately.
पहले सब टीचर्स को भी लगा कि मॉक ड्रिल हो रही है और सब बोले थे कि ड्रिल है, डरो मत। और फिर एक टीचर ने आके बोला कि नहीं, सच में थ्रेट आया है, सब लोग अपनी गाड़ी में और बस में बैठो। और सब पेरेंट्स को मैसेज गया और सब पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को लेने आए और बैग्स भी हमारे अंदर है, बैग्स कल मिलेंगे।
हमें कुछ बताया नहीं गया था, हमें लगा कि अभी ड्रिल थी, क्योंकि अभी ट्यूसडे को हमारी ड्रिल हुई थी उसको लेके इमरजेंसी को, और आज भी ड्रिल हुई, तो आज भी ये बेल बजी, तो हमें लगा कि ड्रिल थी, तो सब इकट्ठा हो गए और बहुत बाद में पता चला कि ये ड्रिल नहीं थी, सच में कुछ थ्रेट आया था।
इसमें
हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे कि उसमें ये कर रहे थे कि अगर एक्सीडेंटली से फायर हो गया, कुछ ऐसा हो गया, तो फिर हम उसकी प्रैक्टिस करके, और अगर रियल में हो गया तो फिर हम प्रैक्टिस करते जा रहे थे तो फिर हम उससे सीख जाएंगे कि जैसी फायर होती है एक स्कूल में, प्रैक्टिस करके बाहर निकल सकते हैं।
तो कोई अलार्म बजने लगा था अंदर में फायर का? तो अभी अंदर कौन कौन है?
अभी अंदर बहुत
के लोग हैं?
नहीं, अभी अंदर बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं और टीचर्स हैं।
अच्छा, बच्चे निकल गए, सब लोग निकल गए?
हाँ, निकल गए।
ठीक।
हम नोट्स लिख रहे थे, फिर वो हुआ तो हमें लगा ड्रिल है, तो हम सारे बैग छोड़ के, सब कुछ छोड़ के नीचे आ गए, ग्राउंड में असेंबल हो गए।